Alright, let's look at this question over here. What we have is an expression that p plus 2q over p is equals to 4 over 5. Alright, and we are supposed to find the value of p over q. Now, how do we go about doing this? Alright, so on the left hand side, we have a fraction. We can break up this fraction, this single fraction, into two separate fractions. So we can say p over p plus 2q over p is equals to 4 over 5. Alright, p over p is 1 plus 2q over p is equals to 4 over 5. Alright, so let me carry on over here. Now, I can write 2q over p is equals to 4 over 5. The 1 we can bring over, so I get minus 1, which is minus 1 over 5. Okay, so let me write it again one more time here. 2q over p is equals to minus 1 over 5. Alright, to get rid of the 2 here, I can multiply it by a half. So if I multiply the left hand side by half, I multiply the right hand side by half. So what I have left is q over p is equals to negative 1 over 10. Alright, what I want is p over q. So I invert the left hand side. So I have to invert the right hand side as well. So what I have is p over q is equals to negative 10. Alright, negative 10 over 1, but you can just simply write as negative 10. Alright, so that is the final answer. P over q is equals to negative 10. Alright, thank you.